Hey guys, I'm going to make two simple dishes which is very healthy. It has protein and vegetables and vitamins, everything. So let's see how to do it. This is for a spicy batter. So what you have to do is like you're going to make a dough using red millet, 4 scoop of red millet flour, 3 scoop of chickpea flour, and 1 handful of coconut, shredded one, and 1 handful of cut piece coconuts, and spinach. This is spinach, and cut onions, shredded onions, salt to taste, some chili flakes if needed. So this I'm going to knead as a dough, and I'm going to press it in a pan and make a beautiful fritters. And it's called adai in Indian language. So this is very healthy, and it's high protein and vitamins and everything is there. Coconut is also very healthy. Spinach is healthy. Red millet flour is healthy. Chickpea is also very healthy. Very less carb is there. So I'll need a dough, and I'll show you how to prepare this. Okay, let's go. So this is how the dough looks. So I'm going to add coconut oil for this to fry it into a crispy crepes or a taco or a roti, you can call whatever you want. So I'm going to make it, and I'm going to show it to you. So using the same red millet with some brown sugar and coconut, shredded coconut, some cardamom. So I made this dough, and it is sweet. So that one is spicy and this one is sweet. So let's make both of these tacos or roti at the same time, and I will show you how it tastes and how it looks. So let's go and start to make it. So you have to spread the dough like this on a hot pan. You put in a very sim. Spread this dough on a pan like this. Then you can increase the flame to the medium power. So that's it. Then you can add some coconut oil. So did you see how I spread this batter on a pan, hot pan? I'm going to add some coconut oil, and I put in a medium flame, little bit lesser than medium flame, and we will wait for a few minutes so it will roast on the back side. Then we will flip it over. Okay, so let's wait. So I flip this over. So look at it, I flipped it over and it looked like this. It's crispy. So other side I will cook it for 2 more minutes on for the other side of the fritter. So this adai is ready, and it is very healthy and less carb and tastes very delicious because you have coconut, spinach, onion, and some chili flakes, everything. So now let's start to make a sweet adai, that is sweet fritters, and let me show you both at the same time. So this one is a sweet fritters. So I showed you the batter, right? It has a red millet, brown sugar, cardamom powder, and clarified butter, and coconut, shredded coconut, and cut pieces of coconut. So I just spread this on the pan and put it in a medium flame. I add some clarified butter, so it looked like this. So I flip it over and show you how it looks. So I flipped this over, look at it. So it looked like this. So the red millet, when it is roasted and crispy, it will become brown like this. See the shredded coconuts, and it's a sweet. It smells awesome because of the cardamom and the coconut and clarified butter mixed together. So look at this. So I'm just frying it for 2 minutes for the other side. I'm frying it. So 3 minutes this side and the other side 2 minutes. So that will be good. Crispy and tasty, sweet, but at the same time it's healthy. So let's see how it looks and how it tastes. So look at it. So this is the spicy one with the spinach and coconut, the red millet and the chickpea flour ada, or a taco, or you can call whatever you want. And I added some tomato chutney as a side dish. It tastes fantastic. So let me show you the sweet one. Hey guys, look at this. This is the sweet one. So just a red millet, no chickpeas. It's just a red millet and shredded coconut, cardamom and clarified butter. So mixed as a dough, and I make as a taco or a roti or ada. You can call whatever name you want. So this tastes very delicious and very, very healthy. And if you feel like, and even the diabetic patients, if they feel like eating sweet, like they can make like this and eat some half portion of this. And it's very healthy. So prepare this both 2 fritters at your home for healthy food and give it to your kids. And if you have any doubt, let me know your thoughts in comment section. I will definitely reply, because I have come to know that I have to reply the comments in YouTube Studio. So I will reply for the comment. Thank you guys.